Hey everyone, this is Ty from Tennessee. I am an IT professional and a motorcycle enthusiast. Tonight, I'd like to give you 5 reasons why I like to go riding at night, so stick around. Hey guys, I appreciate you joining me tonight on this night ride. It's just a little bit after sundown, not too terribly late. And before it gets much cooler in the season, I wanted to jump in and get this video done and provide you guys my perspective on 5 reasons why I like to ride at night. So the reasons that I have come up with, number 1 would be, man, it's so calming to me. I mean, riding in the daytime, probably even more so, but riding at night is just really calming and soothing to me. I have no problems admitting this and fessing up to it, but you know, I have some pretty serious anxiety that I have to deal with from time to time, and you know, take medication for and that type of thing. Now, I don't think there's any shame in that, but you know, medication and riding motorcycles really calms me and puts me in just a really good state of mind, and I like that. You know, another reason I love riding at night would have to be it's just more comfortable depending on what time of year you go. You know, like right now, the weather, it feels so nice out here tonight. Now, this is the first time that I've busted out my leather jacket this year, but it's just so comfortable, and especially being in the South, man, the humidity and the heat will just wear you out and drain it out of you so quickly. Now, one other reason I really like to ride at night is because there is no way possible to show off these beautiful LEDs on this bike in the daytime, right? It just doesn't work. I mean, I've got custom dynamics products all the way around, headlights, blinkers, brake lights, all that stuff. I have custom dynamics products, so I know I can be seen in the daytime, I know I can be seen at night, but the colorful LED lights, you just can't see those in the day. Now, a little story about these lights. I bought these, I don't know, 6-7 months ago through Law Abiding Biker, and was really hoping to show them off a bunch at bike nights and stuff for this year, but we all know how that went. Wasn't able to, but I bought these through Law Abiding Biker, and the service that I received at Law Abiding Biker was awesome. Let me just give Ryan Erlacher a shout out for that. I very much appreciate that. Now, when I got the product in, I installed it on the bike. I mean, it took me a couple of days because I kind of had to figure out, you know, how I wanted the lights laid out, and you know, it kind of a one-time shot when you stick them on there. So I wanted to make sure that was right. So I took my time doing that. So the type of lights I have on this bike are the Shock and Awe 2.0 kit from Ciro3d. And they are awesome. I mean, there was a couple of things that I had to do, then had to learn a little bit to get these on the bike, and I definitely took my time. It probably took me, I don't know, 2 or 3 nights of working, you know, 2 or 3 hours a piece or something like that. But technically it wasn't difficult. I just had to learn some new things. And man, the app, the Ciro3d app that goes with it helps these lights. Man, you can just manage these things and have these lights light up in just about any type of fashion that you can think of, and they look fantastic, and they are super easy. Now, just a small side note, it was probably about a week and a half ago, something like that. I was going to take the bike out and just doing a little inspection on her, hit the button for the lights, nothing came on. So I reached out to their technical support. Now this was kind of late at night. I left them a voicemail. They called me back the very next day. Spoke to a great guy by the name of Darren. He shipped that same day, shipped me a new controller for the unit, and I received it maybe 2 days later. Put that thing in place, the lights came back on. They've been working beautifully ever since. So if you're looking for a company, if you're thinking about putting some lights on your bike, some LEDs, I would highly recommend the Shock and Awe set. Now you can buy that directly from Ciro, or you can buy that from Law Abiding Biker, either way, like I did. But either way, you really don't have a lot to lose as far as customer service and support. Man, I would give them 5 stars. I really would. These guys are fantastic and extremely helpful. So Darren, if you're watching this video, thanks, man. Appreciate you. All right, let's see what's next. Why else do I like riding at night? I will tell you, because it's a new skill to learn when it comes to motorcycling, right? I mean, I think I said it recently in a couple of videos, and I've heard other people say it, that if you ride motorcycles long enough, you're going to get caught in the rain. You know, you can't just say, I'm not going to learn to ride in the rain because I'm never going to ride in the rain. Well, you don't know that. You might get caught out in the rain. I think it's the same way with riding at night. There is a certain skill involved in riding a motorcycle. There is a skill involved in riding a motorcycle in the rain, and I think it's the same way at night. And it doesn't hurt to get out and practice sometimes, right? Because if something happens and you do get caught out and about, and you've got to go home or wherever you're going to go, and it's after sundown, you should know how to handle your bike. You should know how to ride in traffic in the dark, and you know where your controls are on your bike, and all that type of thing for your safety and other people around you as well. So, you know, it is definitely a skill that you can learn and put in your arsenal riding at night. You know what? Lastly, when I'm thinking about this, the last point, you know what it would be? It'd be because it's fun. I mean, is there anything wrong with having fun on a motorcycle? You know, no, there's not. That's probably why most of us do it, because we love it and it's fun. Riding a motorcycle at night, to me, is fun, and I enjoy it. And that is one of the reasons that I do it. You know, I know, we all know that there are additional safety factors involved when you're riding at night, but it is a lot of fun, and that has to be okay sometimes too. So if you guys would subscribe to the channel, click the like button, ring the bell so you know about new content when I release it, I sure would appreciate it. I hope you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you again soon.